Hello and thank you for watching. Today I wanted to share my recipe and how I make this delicious zucchini rollatini recipe. Here's what you'll need. Okay, so this is all the zucchini that I just cut. This is 3 zucchinis, and I wasn't sure if this was enough, and I think that happened last time, but it's definitely enough. Alright, and next I added cheese. So for the cheese, I used a Mexican blend, but I wanted to use mozzarella. You can use whatever cheese you really want. And then consistency, if your mixture is a little bit watery, you can add the cheese to kind of thicken it up so that it's easier to put in dollops when you add it to your rollatini rolls. Alright, so next I'm adding some sauce to the bottom of my pan, and if you need to add more cheese to your mixture, I added a little bit more because the first roll that I made, the filling oozed out a little bit more than I wanted, and this is it's a better consistency for working with the rolls. Alright, it's a little hard with one hand, but to roll, if you're doing multiple like this to make it easier, you could just do this, like that last roll. Oh, it's hard with one hand, but there's the roll, and then you're gonna transfer it over here. And then you just continue doing that. This was my first one. It needed more cheese, so it kind of seeped out a little bit too much, but if that happens, you know, you could add more. If you have meat filling, that helps, or for me, I'm just doing cheese, but I added a little bit more cheese, and that thickened it up a little bit. Something else you could do is if you like pesto and you wanted to add more of that flavor, or if you wanted to put down anything, spinach, you could do it like this, or you can add it into your mixture. Here's how it looks after I laid everything out. Next, I'm gonna cook this, so it's gonna go in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. All right, so it is out of the oven. It definitely needs to cool off for at least 20 minutes before you serve. And I'm gonna take out a piece and show what it looks like.